Hi everyone, this is Wanda from Sound Desire. We'll be starting our checked pattern today with a loop. Now we'll take our dark string and dark blue, and we're going to start with a forward backward knot, which I've demonstrated in the video. The backward part, and we'll make another forward backward knot. Now a loop is made up of forward backward knots, so we're going to make this until when we have our desired length. Now that I have my loop, I'm going to make a box knot or a square knot. Can't really explain what happened, so please just watch. My Kumihimo disc from Wish, and I have a link to a disc in the from Amazon. If you want the one from Wish, let me know. We are going to arrange our strings according to the picture up on the right, with 2 spaces in between. That's 9 and 10, 2 spaces in between, 13 and 14, 2 spaces in between, 17 and 18. 2 spaces in between, that's 21 and 22. There, and we have it. It's a set. It looks like what I want on the bracelet. Now I'm just going to untangle all my ends right before I start my bracelet. So now that we're ready, we'll take 2 and take it all the way down to 16, and then take 18 up to 32 and turn anti-clockwise. Take 6 down to 20, then take 22 up to 4. Turn, take 10 down to 24 and take 26 up to 8. Turn, take 14 down to 28 and take 30 up to 12. Turn and take 17 down to 31 and then take 1 up to 15 and turn. Take 21 down to 3 and take 5 up to 19. Turn. Take 25 down to 7 and take 9 up to 23 and turn. Take 29 down to 11 and take 13 up to 27 and turn. Now continuing, taking the right down and the left up, we are going to keep doing this until when we get our desired length. I'm going to do this for a little while, then I'll show you my bracelet. I'll stop here and show you what it looks like. Thank you for watching, and Bye.